Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very simple drawing with a water body by the side of a smaller house, and we can see the hills and the greeneries and the trees from the far distance. So let's draw the beginning. From the start, we are going to draw the sun over the mountains. So the sun is done. Now we're going to draw the mountains here. So this is the first mountain. Now we are going to extend the lines here and we are going to draw another mountain. Then from the middle of this part we are going to draw a straight line. Alright, now let's put the greeneries with a very few outlines like this. You can see that this is not so complicated. This is easy. On top of it, let's put a big tree and we draw this bigger line like this. Then we're going to draw a straight line here, another straight line here. Let's put a gap here to draw a house. Then we start drawing the house. Then we're going to put another straight line here, another line here. Then we connect the horizontal line. Then we're going to draw an inclined line on top of it, and we're going to connect these two, and another piece through and the extended portion you can see here. Then we are going to draw the house and the windows you can see. So all this drawing, you see, these are very elementary and very easy to draw. I'm just showing you the easiest part. Okay, now we are going to put colors here. Let's put the blue color for the water body. So this is the dark blue. All the colors are going to be solid and uniform. As you know, this is a very nice drawing, and usually it's easy for the beginners to learn the simplest way and the easy scenery. That's why I'm putting these colors here. All right, for the sky, let's put the crayon color on top of it. It's a blue sky here, so let's make different types of blue. The blue is over the hills and mountains, as you can see from the far distance. Let's put some blue over the trees here. So the drawing is going on. Don't miss any suggestions or the instructions as we're giving on the drawing. All right, now let's put a orange color to define the sun. So I'm putting orange and the sun is shining. Let's draw few lines. Okay, For the mountains, we're going to put a deep color. Let's draw a deep red for the mountains. As you can see, I'm using the crayon color here. So crayon is very easy to use for the large area. You can cover very easily, and you can put the color in a very small amount of time. The whole area is colored. Now we are going to put the dark green color for the trees over here. Yeah, let's put this one. So dark green for the trees, you can see all these variations of different colors. Use of different colors make the drawing looks nice and extend its significance. So the bigger tree, we are going to draw the trunk with the deeper one, and the leaves and the top part we're going to put a lighter shades. So we're going to put the light green shades on top of the greeneries. But to draw some details, we can use the dark green again. So let's put some cloud-like formations on top of the greeneries. All right, maybe some shades this can fall over the water. You can see the reflections. Okay, now we're going to put again light green here to define the fields. Next we are going to put some details of the grass. Let's use another dark pencil and draw the grasses like this. These are the few details we need to do. In my other videos you will find how to draw grasses very easily. All the tutorials and instructions are given there. So all you need to do is to go to the playlist of my channel and select the videos which are on the topic of drawing the grass. So we have different segments in the channel and you can find the drawing easily. As you know, we are going to put the reflections here, so another reflections maybe we need here. That's why I am putting another few lines here to show that the reflections of the mountains, those are on the water. All right, it's all about the details and the the basic things. As you observe, just make the difference and make the drawing a very nice one. For the roof we can use another color. Let's see how does it works. Okay, we're going to use this one for the roof. It's like a dark wooden color. Same color goes for the door here. As you know, this is wooden door and wooden windows, so it's going to be the same color. And the house, we're going to put a let's see what we can put. Maybe brown. I hope this is going to be nice. All right, so it's kind of dark yellow color. As you know, for the beginner, this is a very nice drawing. So many of us, we have like little hobby, so that we want to draw by ourselves. So you can learn many things from these instructions and tutorials. So this is the nice drawing. I hope you like the video. You can do practice at home, and please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.